Hi everyone, today let me share you the Kartain technology of the HDI process capability. First layer upgrade, reaching 20 layer in 2023, more compressed than the 16 layer in 2022. Fair viewing, light wedding spaces of 2.5 mile, more precise in the 2023. Micro hole process, mini layer holds 3 mile, compatible with the high-order interconnects structure and tolerance. ELAG structure, external tolerance, and 2 mile. High precision surface treatment covering lead-free HASL, INIG, ENIG, and to meet diversion needs. Adapted to the consumer electronics, mobile phones, and wearing devices, or thermal electronics, in-car control system, small and high density, wearing scenarios such as medical equipment, portable diagnostic instrument. The advantages and efficient signal transmission, sufficiency, space utilization, and strong interference ability. Kartain technology rely on advanced process to achieve the finite width and spacing, and process macro hole processing ensured high quality and reliable of the board. If you have a project of HDI, please send me a private message. Thank you for watching.